Hey, what's going on, Aaron? I hope you're doing well. If you're watching this video right now, you might be checking out the Leadpages affiliate program. Maybe you're wondering how much can you really earn with this particular affiliate program. We're going to check it all out, all right? Now, Leadpages is basically one of the largest landing page builder software companies out there, right? So essentially, if you come to Leadpages, you can see that you can build powerful landing pages that will convert, right? This is for all sorts of different people that want to build businesses online. It doesn't matter if you're an entrepreneur, you're a solopreneur, you're an individual, you're a company. You can build all sorts of different landing pages here to basically attract leads to your business, convert them, and then make sales to them. Okay, now you can also become an affiliate. All right, so you can sign up for their affiliate program, which is really cool. That means if you want to make money by referring them to other people, then they will pay you some commissions in order for you to do that, which is really cool. All right, now Leadpages has a very cool affiliate program. The way it works is it's very simple. You just sign up at Partner Stack. I'll show you how to do that in a second, right? So Partner Stack is a very large affiliate network. They focus mainly on software, and Leadpages is a software, right? And you can just come here and anyone can sign up from anywhere in the world. You don't have to have any particular type of background. You don't have to have any particular sales experience, nothing like that. If you're a beginner, you can sign up for this. And the way they pay is the initial 90 days. Every time you get someone to sign up, it will be $100, okay? So for every completed standard plan. So instead of paying monthly, they'll pay you after 90 days, right? And for every pro plan is $200. So it's pretty good commissions, all right? A lot of digital products, software, they generally pay pretty well, and Leadpages is no different, all right? Just to give you an idea, if you were a customer, if you went on the standard plan monthly, it's $49 a month, and then the pro plan is basically $99 a month. Okay, so they're just taking a cut of that and they're giving that to you as a payout. All right, and after the first 90 days, if you maintain a 75% customer retention rate, then your commissions go up from $100 to $150 every 90 days, and from $200 to $400. So they double it at the pro plan level, which is pretty cool. All right, that's not too bad. That's like $133 per month for the pro plan. I think that's pretty good. And Leadpages is a pretty good product as well. Okay, so I've used it before to build out my landing pages, my squeeze pages, my launch pages, things like that. Right. So it's a really cool program. All right. So the big question is how much can you make from the Leadpages affiliate program, and who is this really for? Okay. So there's a couple of things you have to understand. First of all, Leadpages is basically a page builder for companies and entrepreneurs that want to basically sell some sort of product online. Okay, have some sort of presence, collect leads, connect with their audience, things like that. You can build pages, blogs, capture pages, squeeze pages, launch funnels, things like that. But essentially, you'd be building sales funnels, right, to sell some sort of product or service. So you have to have access to people that are interested in doing that. All right, so that means that if you're already established, let's just say you're a marketer, right? And maybe you're an internet marketer and you've got an email list of people that are doing the same thing as you, they're building businesses. It's going to be very easy to come here, sign up with Partner Stack, through Partner Stack, get your Leadpages application, right? And promote it to these people that are interested in building businesses. Because if you want to build a business online, you need capture pages, you need a funnel, you need launch pages, product pages, things like that, okay? So that's the perfect audience. If you have a blog, if you have a tech company, a tech blog, maybe you have a tech audience, right? Maybe you're on TikTok, YouTube, Instagram. It's very easy to talk about this kind of thing and then say, hey, this is what I use to build my funnels, my pages. You need a funnel in order for you to do well and sell products and services online. Check this out, right? So that's perfect for you if you're already pretty established. Now, if you're a beginner, that means like you have no presence online. You have no audience. You're not on TikTok, YouTube, or Instagram. You don't have a tech blog. You don't have hundreds of thousands or tens of thousands or millions of people following you. You're starting from scratch. Then yes, you can sign up for the Leadpages affiliate program, but it's going to be pretty difficult for you to promote it because you don't know how. You don't have an audience, right? Now, while they pay a very good commission, I think that this type of commission is really good. You can make full-time income just promoting Leadpages if you understand how to do it, right? But if you're a beginner, you have nobody to share it to, then it's not so great, okay? Because you need to have an already established audience for you to promote to them. Otherwise, it's pretty difficult to start from zero and start promoting to people when you don't even understand affiliate marketing at all. All right. So overall, I think the Leadpages affiliate program is really awesome, right? Especially if you're in the right space. If you're a business owner, you're an internet marketer, you're a creator, you're somebody online that has an email list or an audience that follows you on one of the social media platforms, definitely plug into the Leadpages affiliate program. They pay out really, really well. Okay. If you're a beginner, maybe this is not the right place. Maybe later on when you come back, you've got a bit of an audience. Maybe you can even try Leadpages out to build out your sales process. Then it would be pretty cool to join the affiliate program and start to earn some commissions on the side. All right. Now, if you're here watching this video right now, if you're the first time on this channel, I've actually reviewed hundreds and hundreds of different ways to make money online. Affiliate marketing is one of my favorite ways, right? I've tested all sorts of business models, all sorts of apps, websites, all sorts of different angles to make money online. And I've generated the most amount of money with affiliate marketing. I've made millions online. I used it to quit my full-time job. There's a very specific way to do it though. You need to do it in a very, very step-by-step process. And then you can integrate things like the Leadpages affiliate program to promote and generate more income. If you want to find out how to do that and you want to maybe replace your full-time income, I've got a masterclass that shows you step-by-step how I went from 0 to millions online. You can access that by just clicking the link right below this video. I hope you enjoyed that. I hope you enjoyed this review of Leadpages, and I will see you on the next one. Take care.